guys, I'm Lulu. Today I'll introduce you about our brand BONOSS. As a professional automotive wheel parts manufacturer and supplier, BONOSS has more than 10 years of professional experience, focusing on producing and manufacturing safe automobile forged wheel spacers, lug nuts, bolts, and other accessories. Why should I choose BONOSS wheel spacers? BONOSS forged wheel spacers have global patent active cooling technique. This is active cooling design.
BONOSS forged active cooling wheel spacers come with active cooling grooves. When the wheels rotate, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow efficiently and continuously inside the wheel spacers to take away the heat. Therefore, it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system.
Installing BONOSS forged active cooling wheel spacer on Tesla Model 3 can improve the brake efficiency, maintain the brakes at normal temperature, and ensure your driving safety. Besides, BONOSS wheel spacers adopt forging process with high-strength aluminum alloy 6061-T6 and 7075-T6 material, which features many desirable properties: high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. Compared with the aluminum alloy 6061-T6, aluminum alloy 7075-T6 strength and toughness are also greatly enhanced. The strength of aluminum alloy 6061-T6 wheel spacers are totally strong enough for daily driving. However, if you like drifting cars, you better choose aluminum alloy 7075-T6 spacers. The matching wheel studs on the Tesla wheel spacer have achieved the ISO standard grade 12.9. The matching lug nuts applied 40 chrome material, which adheres to the ISO standard grade 10. For normal driving, they can easily withstand thousands of jump shocks. Each of the matching wheel studs or lug nuts has BONOSS engraved, which proves that they made by BONOSS own factory. The quality is guaranteed. BONOSS has fully passed over 66 SGS and TÜV authority test reports and all achieved excellent scores. We'll also provide the OEM, ODM, and customized service within 3 days. Look no further than BONOSS custom-made wheel spacer for your Tesla model. BONOSS offers non-normal thickness customized service. 3mm thin to 116mm thin are available. There are a large amount of options with our customized PCB conversion wheel adapters, and thread size, thickness, and bolt patterns are customized according to your exact requirements. Worry-free 10 years warranty service, friendly customer service. BONOSS complete R&D design and production service provide more professional service and higher quality product choice. We have more than 10 professional technical R&D personnel specializing in vehicle data collection, product design, optimization, product testing, and finished product launch. So far, we have completed the measurement of 95% of the common models on the market. Thousands of product innovation and upgrade joins. The R&D and the matching work of the new mainstream models will be completed within 2 months. Only 2 were popular new models. Compared with others, BONOSS has unique designs with more functions. The advantage of choosing BONOSS aluminum alloy wheel spacer is that the hot anodizing process on the surface of the material brings better corrosion resistance and prevent rusting. And BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with a better multi-stage hub centerings. The multi-layer design provides the barriers to fit the corresponding hub spaces. This effectively ensures a firm wheel connection and better load transition. And the side knurling design of these BONOSS forged wheel spacers improve the heat dissipation and reduce the internal stress. BONOSS forged Tesla wheel spacers are CNC machined, precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This eliminates any potential gap, ensuring a perfect installation. And the back of these BONOSS spacers are designed with a disassembly groove. You can easily remove the spacer with a flathead screwdriver. When removing the wheel spacer, place a screwdriver into the groove and then simply apply force at an angle. You can easily separate the spacer from axle hub easily without damaging the surface of the spacer. For BONOSS forged active cooling wheel spacers, this groove also acts as the air collecting funnels, which is effectively increasing the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect. BONOSS wheel spacers provide higher performance, more additional functions, fast customized service, and friendly service, which is your best choice. BONOSS 2 Plus wheels.